Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to set a custom invoice number sequence in Odoo 9D. So basically, this is a very useful feature when your company wants invoice number in a specific term or way. Okay, so before configuring the invoicing sequence, I want to explain you what or why we actually use a custom invoice sequence. So by moving on to the accounting module, as you all know that under the customers and invoices, by defaultly Odoo generates automatic invoice number there using the several number sequence. But many companies needs some more, which means they need a financial year based numbering, department wise invoicing codes, or a country or brand specific prefixes as well. So customizing the sequence help to maintain a proper financial organization and compliance as well in your company. Okay. For that, here we don't need any coding. We can simply activate the developer mode and use an option inside our gear icon. So let me show you that. Moving on to the settings menu, we need to activate our developer mode. So here I am searching for developer mode, and there you can see activate the developer mode, and you can activate them, and let's see the save button. By moving on to the accounting module back, we are moving to the customers. Under the invoice, there we have the invoice line, and here I'm choosing 3 of the invoice which have been posted, and moving on to the gear icon, there you can see an option which is resequence it. So by clicking on there you will get a wizard like this, and Odoo is asking a question like ordering, keeping the current order or reorder by the accounting date. So it is keeping current order, like it shows mixed days and everything, or if you are reorder it by the accounting date, you can also see that by clicking on there. Okay, so here I'm keeping it a current order. There we have our date, the selected sequences, and let's see what happens once we are resequence it after. Okay, so here I want to provide an INV before the sequence number. Once I'm done with that, I can simply click on there, and there you can see this is the before sequence and this is the resequence that have been added. Now let's confirm this, and you can see it is resequenced, and I'll show you what happen if I'm going to provide the next date as well. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new one. Let's create with Aisha, and here I'm going to confirm it. Now you can see the current or next invoice line is created, what we are done with there. Okay, so that's how simply you can resequence or customize the sequence of invoice line in sales or accounting. So that's how simply you can do. I hope you all understood. This is a simple technique that you can use inside the accounting module at sales module as well. So that's all about this video. So in the next video, I'll be back with another new tips and tricks that you can use different modules. So till that, bye-bye.